Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on credit card fees with Capital One step by step clearly. To save on credit card fees with Capital One, start by reviewing your current credit card fees. Check your account statements for annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and late payment fees. Identify which fees you incur the most frequently. Visit the Capital One website to explore available credit card options. Look for cards with no annual fees or low fees. Compare rewards and benefits of different cards. Consider a card that waives foreign transaction fees if you travel frequently. Next, check if you qualify for a promotional offer. Promotions often include bonus points or cashback for new customers. Apply for a new card that fits your financial habits and needs. After applying, monitor your spending to avoid late payment fees. Set up automatic payments to ensure your bills are always paid on time. Utilize Capital One's mobile app to keep track of your transactions and balances. Stay informed about your credit limit and spending capacity. Contact Capital One customer service if you have questions about your fees. Inquire if there are ways to waive certain fees based on your usage. Keep an eye out for any fee reduction offers Capital One may provide. Finally, review your account regularly to ensure you are maximizing your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.